A few weeks ago, I was teaching a group of 25 students, and a licensee was observing. And we got a really nice laugh out of listening to the students describe charm. And I must tell you, believe it or not, charm school is very, very popular amongst parents. They still want their children to be charming. Yes, in this day and age, it's still happening out there. You can teach charm school, and it is a lot of fun, and provides a lot of teachable moments, and you can slip things in. They think they're going to a class of dancing or learning about life, and then you slip into things such as eye contact, introductions, how to hold a fork correctly, and of course, posture. I love it when I talk about posture and teach posture, and you can see an immediate difference in the children. Today's article will tell you more about Charm School and how you can teach it. And of course, thank you so much for joining our Manners Movement.